You cannot always trust your LCD screen on a very bright day or very low light day. Histogram comes in handy. It is the visual representation of light in a photo. I have here Canon EOS M50 and also my DSLR, which is Canon 5D Mark III. So let's look at the histogram. How do we read it and how do we use it? And for the new faces, my name is Zdenka Darula. I work as a photographer. I am a former model and a few other things. I make fun vlogs and tutorials, so you might want to hit the subscribe button. The easiest and the cheapest exposure tool is Histogram because it is already on your camera. When you take a photo and you look at the LCD screen and it looks all good, and then when you get home, upload it on a computer and we found out it's either too bright or it's either too dark. Next time when you take photos, try to pull up the histogram. It might help you. I've got Canon EOS M50, so let's look where we can pull up the information. Hit the info button 2 times. You should be able to see black and white histogram. Properly exposed photo would look like this in histogram. What does it mean? On the left you see pure black. This area means shadows. These are your midtones. Here you have highlights and pure whites. If your info is way too much on the left, that means your photo is underexposed. It means it's too dark. If you have too much info on the right, that means your photo is overexposed. It's too bright. The only time it doesn't apply if you are shooting those very overexposed high-key photos. You want everything bright. And it also doesn't apply if you're shooting low-key, very dark and moody photos. You want to avoid those big spikes on the right or on the left. It's called clipping. Basically, if it is on the right, too many pixels are crushed, lost in white, highlights are blown out. If the spike is on the left, then too many pixels are crushed to black, which means it is too dark. Nice and simple. I used to use histogram a lot when I was starting out with this DSLR. Now that I know this camera upside down, I pretty much don't look at it anymore. I only use histogram when I'm shooting again with a very bright conditions or in a very low light conditions, and the LCD screen can kind of mislead me. Surely I can turn the LCD screen up or down, but then if I forget to switch it back, it might affect all my future photos. When it comes to Canon M50, I use histogram when I am doing video recording, like right now, because I want to make sure I have it set up correctly before I hit the record button. Well, hit the thumbs up button if you liked today's video, subscribe for all future videos, don't forget to hit the bell notification button to know when the video is up, and I'm looking forward to hear from you, so please don't be shy to leave comment in the comment section below. Let me know how you like your camera so far, what you're shooting, what you're not shooting. Are you using histogram? Are you not using histogram? Or simply say hello. I'll read all the messages and I will try to respond. Thank you again and I'll see you in the next one. Ciao. Ahoj.